Discover the fascinating story of how repurposed World War II bullet casings became a unique piece of currency in Nepal. This video explores the history behind this remarkable transformation. Take a look at this coin. Its creation was born out of necessity, using pure brass sourced directly from the remnants of war. During World War II, Gurkha soldiers fought against the Imperial Japanese Army. In the heat of battle, they fired thousands of rounds, leaving behind countless brass cartridges. When the war ended, many soldiers returned home to Nepal, bringing these empty bullet cases back with them. At the time, Nepal faced severe metal shortages, and the cost of silver had risen significantly. The national mint needed an affordable alternative to produce coins. The government found a creative solution to the shortage. By repurposing those empty bullet cases, they minted the 4 paisa coin in 1955. The production process was precise. Workers removed the primer from the casings, machines flattened the brass, and the mint stamped the new design onto the metal. Today, this coin serves as a symbol of courage, honoring the history of the Gurkha soldiers and their role in the war, effectively turning weapons into wealth. The supply of brass was limited, so the mint only produced this coin for 1 year. Collectors now refer to it as the Bullet Paisa. This chart compares the era of the Bullet Paisa to other currency, highlighting its unique place in history compared to traditional silver mohars or modern notes. Because of its limited production and historical significance, the Bullet Paisa is in high demand, making it a prized addition to any historical coin collection. At Coin House Kochi, we have served numismatists since 1980, helping collectors buy, sell, and exchange rare coins from across the globe. Are you ready to complete your collection? Contact Coin House Kochi today to find your own 1955 Bullet Paisa.